So what you're going to do is check that they are working, and as you can see they are. Now the easiest way to release this is to get your finger and go up here and then push from the back, and as you can see it came out that way. So I'll pop that back in and I'll show you again. So you get your finger, take it to the right hand side and push. Simple as that. Once it's out, you can see that it's still on, and you've got a squeeze release clip here. You squeeze release and you pull. You're going to take your new unit and you're going to push it in all the same way, and it doesn't necessarily need to click in, just enough so that the light comes on, and just check that it does work. If it isn't working at this stage, the ignition is on for me, so if you haven't got your ignition on, turn your ignition on. If it's still not working, sometimes you need to turn the dip beam on, because they are ambient lights, they only come on with the ambient lighting. And to put it back in, you always push the wire up first, and then make sure that the clip is inside, and push. Job done. We're going to do the same on the other side. Again, finger up, push it down, unclip that one, grab the other one out of my pocket, take your new one, push it in, and again, doesn't necessarily have to click. As soon as the light comes on, and then slot it inside the hole. Always slot the plug first, push, job done.